Hello, hello, welcome again. Today we're going to see how we took this trade on NAS100 using free confirmation as our channel name. Before we continue, remember to subscribe, to like, and comment on the comment section below so you can continue to support this channel. You're going to get a notification on every day we upload a new video. Okay, let us see what happened when this last 100. We took this trade and I will show you how we did that. As you see, NAS100 having a downtrend, on our time frame, was having a nice downtrend. Then we break a structure of this downtrend. So we are looking when to buy this pair. So the first confirmation, this break of structure on that downtrend, as you see. Okay, let's mark this trend as first confirmation. And of structure. Once we have break structure on the trend line, we are looking for other confirmation. It's better to look for other confirmation on small time frame because NAS100 moves a lot. This pair moves a lot. Remember that this pair moves a lot. So the other confirmation, we are going to look for other confirmation on the smaller time frame. What we are expecting on this small time frame is the chart to do a retest. Then we can be good to buy. Let's see if we got a retest. Let's see if we are going to get a retest. Okay. I remember patterns is the key. Friend is your friend. So you need a lot of patterns, a lot of waiting for the right moment and right confirmation for you to take a trade. Okay. So need to continue to see if we are going to get the entry on this 15 minutes time frame. So we are looking for pullback. Okay. The best pullback we can get is on this area, or see the area where the market touched you. Most of time, maybe this area or this area. So if you get rejection, these two areas can be good to buy. Let's see. Okay, as you see, have a price zone where the market rejected most of the time, and we have another confirmation here. A double bottom on this area. We have a double bottom, but let's see if we can get another rejection of this area of interest, because the market touched this area for multiple time. Okay, then we are good. We touched on this area, then bam, we have a huge candle to the upside. We can move even to the smaller time frame after this double bottom, maybe after this double bottom as a second confirmation. This double bottom as second confirmation. Label this as double bottom, double B, double bottom as a second confirmation. We can even move further to the lower time frame, because sorry, 5 minutes. We can go even to the 5 minutes time frame, because this pair moves a lot. So we have to find a confirmation on very small time frame as possible. Okay, let's see if we are going to get that move to the this area again before we continue. Yeah, have this break of structure on 5 minutes time frame. We were having a lot of confirmation to buy this pair. We have this double bottom, but we have this rejection. We could be entered here. So to be sure, we can wait for the other confirmation. We can take this as your third confirmation. But for me, I waited a little longer to get a strong confirmation to buy. Okay. Once we get yes, this to me was the confirmation, as a confirmation that we rejected on this area, we are going to buy. So I waited for one candle to close upside. So I entered this trade here after this candle close. Then I put my stop loss on 100 ticks. Okay, 100 ticks in this pair. Then I just navigate to 1 hour time frame to look for my take profit. Then I decided to take like 200, 1 to 2, 1 to 3 was good. Let's see on 15 minutes. Let's see on 15 minutes if we are going to get something better for our TP. Okay, I decided to take buy TP around this area. So it was like, okay, it was like 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Then I waited for ITP. Okay. Once this pair moved to the upside, I moved my stop loss to break even. Moved my stop loss to break even. So I can't get a huge loss. So after that, waited a little longer. Doesn't take that much longer to go to the TP. Okay. And before we continue, let's mark this. Let's mark this as third confirmation. Third confirmation to buy. Then our TP was hit. But on this pair, I found other entry after first TP to be hit. I found other entry because it was huge drop to the downside. So in this indices and any other pair, when we have a huge drop or huge pop-up to upside, we can have a correction of that huge move because was confirmed to go up, and we break this trend. We have this pullback, then confirmation to the upside. We take our profit. Then we identified the other zone. You see here, there is other strong zone. So we decided to take another entry on this pair. We took this as first confirmation, which it dropped huge to the downside. Then we navigated on 5 minutes time frame. On 5-minute time frame, then we just got the huge structure, huge candle, engulfing candle to the upside. If we go to 1 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame, you can see a break of minor structure over here, where just broke this structure to the upside. Then we were safe to enter this trade after rejection, and we got this sign of going up again. We just put our stop loss. If we go back to the 15 minutes time frame, we just put our stop loss on again on 100 ticks, and we took like 300 ticks on this trade. 300 ticks on this trade. Okay. So even if we going to lose this trade, we can still have 200 ticks as profit. So we entered this trade with a confident. Okay, let's see what happened this trade. This trade put us direct to the TP, direct to the TP. So in this trade, we corrected almost 630 ticks on this trade for just on the interval of 3 days. We waited 1 day to take other trade. We didn't wait longer to take our profit. 600 ticks is a lot of money on this trade. So remember, you have to identify the movement of the market, whether it is downtrend movement or it's uptrend movement. Once we break that structure, always we are going to change that movement. So if you use 3 confirmation strategy on every trade you take, you're gonna be on profit for a long time. Even if you get a loss, you can recover easily. The formula is good. You have to have 3 or more confirmation to enter the trade, so you can be confident with that trade. Remember to subscribe on our channel so you get a notification on every video we make. Welcome to our channel. This is a place to stay. Thank you. Ciao.